Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends. Now again this is a problem based on economic life of the asset. Here we have got two machines, machine A and machine B, and we need to decide which of the two machines we should purchase. So let's read the problem and try to understand what we are supposed to do. A specific requirement of the company can be met by either machine A or machine B. Machine A costs 10,000 fine, maintenance cost during the first year is 2,000 fine, and it increases by 800 per annum till the fourth year. Fourth year तक हर साल खर्चा बढ़ेगा 800 रुपया, and thereafter increase to rupees 5,000 in the fifth year, and increase by rupees 1,000 every year thereafter. So it's more or less similar to the last problem. Numbers थोड़े बहुत identical है, maybe not exactly same. And machine B has the same capacity and its price at 15,000. machine B थोड़ा costly है, but वहाँ पे आपका maintenance initial stage पे जाता है 2,500, और उसके बाद every year आपका maintenance cost 750 rupees per annum है, increase होगा. And if the money is worth 15% of the amount invested, that is your cost of capital or the interest rate, which machine would you recommend? तो अपने को दोनों में से एक मशीन सिलेक्ट करना है. हम सिंपल है, हम दोनों मशीन्स का लाइफ निकालेंगे और उसके बेस पे कुछ कमेंट करके हम एनालाइज करके फाइनल इंटरप्रिटेशन देके विल डिसाइड व्हिच मशीन टू परचेस. लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई एम डूइंग द कैलकुलेशन फॉर मशीन ए फर्स्ट. यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे उसका मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट, then it will be the present value factor at 15%, then present value of maintenance cost, then I'll get the cumulative present value of maintenance cost, then we have something called as total cost, then the annuity factor, and last में equivalent annual cost EAC. ये हमारा मशीन ए था. मशीन ए में हमारा कॉस्ट 10,000, मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट फर्स्ट ईयर में 2,000 जो बढ़ेगा 800 रुपये से फोर्थ ईयर तक, और फिफ्थ ईयर से 5,000, और उसके बाद बढ़ेगा 1,000 रुपीज एवरी ईयर. सो राइट डाउन द मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट इन द फर्स्ट ईयर एज रुपीज 2,000, और उसको 800 रुपये से बढ़ाते जाएंगे. सो 2,000 प्लस 800 इट विल बी 2800 प्लस 800 विल बी 3600 प्लस 800 प्लस 800 and plus 800 it will be. In the fifth year the cost will be 5,000, and from the fifth year the maintenance cost will increase by 1,000 every year from the next year onwards. That is, it will be 6,000 in the sixth year. Now present value factor will be 15% of the 1 divided by 1.15, 0.8695, that is 870, 0.756, 0.658, 0.572, 0.497, 0.432. हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 2,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0.870, 2800 multiplied by 0.756. We are just round off the number. 3600 multiplied by 0.658, 236, 8.8 आ रहा है. 4400 multiplied by 0.572, 2517. 5,000 multiplied by 0.497, 2485. 6,000 multiplied by 0.432, 2592. This is the present value of maintenance cost. Now I'll calculate the cumulative present value. should be 1740 plus 2117, which comes to 3857 plus 2369 6226 plus 2517 8743 plus 2485 11228 plus 2592, which is 13,820. Now I'll calculate the total cost. To get the total cost, we have got the formula: net cost, that is cost minus scrap value plus cumulative present value of maintenance cost. So this comes to 1740 plus 10,000, 11,740, 13,857, 16,000, 16,226, 18,743, 21,228, 23,820. Now comes the annuity factor, the most crucial one. To get the annuity factor, we have got the formula 1 plus I whole raised to n minus 1 upon I bracket 1 plus I whole raised to n. So in the first it will be 0.8695. In the second year it will be 1.626. For the third year it will be 2.283, 2.8546, 3.3523, and last will be 3.7850. Now I'll calculate the equivalent cost. 11,740 divided by 0.869, so 13,510. Next it will be 13,857 divided by 1.626, 8522. For third it will be 16,226 divided by 2.283, 7107. Next it will be 6564.9, that is 6565. Next it will be 21,228 divided by 3.3523, which comes to 6333. And next it will be 23,820 divided by 3.785, 6293. So my maintenance cost, equivalent annual cost, is decreasing, so I need to do for the 7th year also. और अगर 7th ईयर में डिक्रीज हुआ तो 8th ईयर भी करना पड़ेगा, एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर. सो यहाँ पे मैंने 1000 से बढ़ा दिया. इट विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 7, 0.376, 2632. This will be 13,820 plus 2632, which comes to 16,452. And now my total cost will be 16,452 plus 10,000, that is 26,452. And for the 7th year it will be 4.1597. Let's make it 160. 26,452 divided by 4.159, which comes to 6,360. So luckily it increased in the 7th year, and I can say that my economic life of my asset is 6 years. 6th ईयर में सबसे कम कॉस्ट है, तो अगर मैं मशीन ए बाय करता हूँ तो 6 ईयर उसका लाइफ आएगा. आई विल कंपेयर दिस विद द मशीन बी, जिसका कॉस्ट ज़्यादा है बट कॉस्ट थोड़ा, मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट थोड़ा कम है. Years will be 7 years I'll take for machine B. Here is my maintenance cost. We refer the question again. Machine B has the same capacity and is priced at 15,000. In the first year, 2,500 will be spent on maintenance and thereafter increase by 750 every year. फर्स्ट ईयर में 750 रुपया खर्चा होगा, उसके बाद हर साल फर्स्ट ईयर में 2,500 रुपीज खर्चा होगा, उसके बाद हर साल 750 से आपका मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट बढ़ेगा. सो आई विल राइट 2,500 इन द फर्स्ट ईयर प्लस 750 प्लस 750 प्लस 750 प्लस 750 प्लस 750 प्लस 750. So this will be total 7,000. The next column will be present value factor at 15% per annum. We'll just copy the numbers from the previous table, which are 0.870, 0.756, 0.658, 0.572, 0.497, 0.432, 0.376. Then we'll multiply this to get the present value of maintenance cost. Then we'll get the cumulative present value of maintenance cost. Then comes the total cost. Then the annuity factor. Last one will be your equivalent annual cost, EAC. Just note down this number first. Annuity factor वाले numbers मैं लिख लेता हूँ एक बार. 0.870, 1.626, 2.283 for the third year, 2.855, 3.352, 3.785, 4.160 राउंड ऑफ में लेता हूँ मैं. And now I will just work out the whole calculation similar to the previous table. With 2500 multiplied by 0.870, 3250 multiplied by 0.756, 4000 multiplied by 0.658, 4750 multiplied by 0.572, 5500 multiplied by 0.497, 2733.5, I will let it as 34, 625 into 0.432, and 7,000 multiplied by 0.376. So I simply multiplied these two and got these answers. Now I'll calculate the cumulative, that is the summation of the maintenance cost, present value factor. So this will be 2175 plus 2457 plus 2632 plus 2717 plus 2734 plus 2700. लास्ट वन विल बी 18047. हम तब तक करते जाएंगे जब तक अपना कॉस्ट कम होते जाता है. जिस साल में कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगा विल स्टॉप द कैलकुलेशंस. नाउ माय टोटल कॉस्ट विल इंक्लूड द मशीन कॉस्ट 15,000. So 15 plus 2175 will be 17,175, 19,632, 22,264, 24,981, 27,715, 30,415 and 33,047. Now I will divide this total cost with the annuity factor. This will be 19,741, 12,074 round off में, 9,752, 8,749.91, 50, 8,268, कॉस्ट कम होते जा रहा है, 8,035.6, 636, 7,943.9 तो 7,944. अब 7th ईयर में भी कम आया तो मुझे 8th ईयर का भी करना पड़ेगा, which will be 7750 और यहाँ पर आएगा आपका 0.327 multiplied by 7750 which comes to 2534. क्यूमुलेटिव में हो जाएगा 18047 प्लस 2534 2581 and 2581 plus 15,000 will be 35,581. Now for the 8th year it will be 4.486. So this comes to 7932. Cost और कम हो रहा है, तो I need to do for 9th year also. This will be 7750 plus 750 8500. This will be 0.284 multiplied by 8500 2414 plus 2581. It will be 22995 plus 15,000 will be 37995 and this will be for 9 years it will be 1.15 4.7716. So 37995 divided by 4.7716 it will be 7962. So मेरा कॉस्ट बढ़ रहा है, so I will say 8 years. मशीन बी का इकोनॉमिक लाइफ 8 years आ रहा है, मशीन ए का इकोनॉमिक लाइफ था हमारा 6 years. Equivalent annual cost for machine A and for machine B. So my minimum equivalent annual cost for machine A is 6293 for 6 years and for machine B का आएगा 7932. So दोनों में से मिनिमम एनुअल कॉस्ट है मशीन ए का, तो हम मशीन ए को रिकमेंड करेंगे. कंक्लूजन आएगा सिंस इक्विवेलेंट एनुअल कॉस्ट ऑफ मशीन ए is lower than machine B, machine A should be selected. So this was a lengthy problem. I don't think such lengthy problems will be there in the exam, but there might be a case where they might ask you to compare two machines with a time zone of 3 to 4 years or 5 years with lot of ready-made calculations. So there, for that purpose, I have just worked out this problem. We compared the minimum annual equivalent annual weighted cost of both the machines. जिस मशीन का कॉस्ट सबसे कम आया था हमने उस मशीन को फाइनलाइज किया और हमने लिखा मशीन ए शुड बी सिलेक्टेड. So these are the two problems, or this was the problem which was based on the concept of equivalent annual cost. We solved one earlier before this. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel Ekeeda.